SYNAPS-I is a collaboration of DOE light and neutron sources. We're leveraging vast amounts of experimental data to develop AI foundation models and tools to accelerate scientific discoveries from months down to minutes.
At the Advanced Light Source, we're looking at how image data can be further segmented and analyzed.
I study drought, and we're trying to use water as efficiently as possible in agriculture. It's been difficult to measure that historically because we have to cut samples off of the plants to do that, which can introduce artifacts. And so the X-rays allow us to look inside the plants and see what's going on in real time with those dynamics and how it's changing.
SYNAPS-I transforms the huge X-ray datasets of drought-stressed grapevines into high-quality, analysis-ready segmentations by transferring scans to NERSC and ALCF, reconstructing them with about 2,000 CPUs, and applying segmentation with fine-tuned foundation models across 200 GPUs. Trained on Andrew's data, the models identify target features with subject matter expert-like performance, reducing what would take about a month of manual annotation per dataset to a few minutes.
And the advances in AI and computing now have taken us light years ahead in terms of the analysis, the capturing of the data, and then being able to get to making conclusions about what's happening in the plants in real time so that we can help farmers with that information.
At NSLS2, we have an AI-enabled workflow when using tychographic tomography that improves high-resolution microelectronic imaging. In this experiment, we demonstrate real-time AI inference for tychographic image reconstruction, AI-assisted tomographic reconstruction from limited angle projections, and rapid AI-based segmentation. These capabilities show how AI can accelerate beamline image processing, reduce experimental data requirements, and enable fast interpretation of complex three-dimensional structures.
We are looking at how cracks form in cathode particles as you charge and discharge a battery. So much data can be collected very quickly. Working with the American Science Cloud, we are connecting SSRL's beamlines to advanced DOE computing facilities for automatic reconstruction, segmentation, and feature identification in our data. We are using AI to go rapidly from raw data to a segmented 3D image. Then we can start to answer questions like, when do the cracks first start to form?
At the Advanced Photon Source at the Argonne National Laboratory, we've demonstrated automated operations in which the user issues a task and the agent takes multi-step actions to complete the task autonomously. We also demonstrated a task in which the agent searched for the interface between two different types of regions in an integrated circuit sample, starting from a location far from that interface. The AI agent transforms the control interface between users and the beamline instruments to one that is based on natural language. Routine actions can be done like texting to someone instead of typing codes and commands, or finding a way through the complicated control consoles which are usually daunting to new users.
The impact of SYNAPS-I stretches beyond one facility or one research topic, accelerating discovery across the nation in microelectronics, batteries, agricultural security, and more.